To install Awin's Publisher MasterTag on your WordPress site, all you need to do is navigate to Tools and Plugins in your WordPress menu and then search for Awin. This is the plugin we want, the Awin Publisher MasterTag. You can read more details on it, or you can just click Install Now. Once installed, click to activate, and here we are. It's available for us to change the settings. All we need to do is enter our publisher ID. This is the ID that we have for our Awin account. Click Save, and there you are. The Publisher MasterTag has been added to your WordPress site.